Want to upgrade your photo game in 2025? These must-have accessories will take your shots from good to gallery-worthy. Don't click that shutter without them. Before we dive in, hit subscribe, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which accessory is your top pick. Let's get started. Number 1. Lexar Professional 2000X SDXC UHS-II. If you shoot high-speed bursts or 4K video, a fast SD card is a must. And the Lexar Professional 2000X is one of the best we've tested. It delivers blazing 300 megabytes per second read and 260 megabytes per second write speeds, making it perfect for demanding photo and video work. It's also built tough, shockproof, vibration-proof, and X-ray resistant, with an operating range from 0 to 70 degrees Celsius. Whether you're in the studio or out in the field, it's a reliable, high-performance card that pros can trust. Number 2. MeFoto Roadtrip Pro 6-in-1 Travel Tripod. This is the most versatile, lightweight tripod you'll ever need. It works as a full-size tripod, tabletop tripod, monopod, and even a boom arm. The camera plate? It cleverly converts into a smartphone holder. With 5-section legs and a 2-section center column, it extends over 1.5 meters, supports up to 8 kilograms, yet packs down to just 38.5 centimeters and weighs only 1.5 kilograms. Compact, sturdy, and incredibly well built, this tripod punches way above its price and is perfect for creators on the move. Number 3. Newell FDL USB-C dual battery charger. If you shoot on the go, this compact, USB-powered dual battery charger is a game changer. Compatible with most popular camera models, it lets you charge 2 batteries at once, quickly and efficiently. It includes a built-in USB-A cable and a USB-C port, so you have flexible input options. Charge up in the car with a wall adapter, or from a power bank in your bag, you're covered. Light, portable, and super convenient. This is an essential addition to any photographer's kit. Number 4. Kase Revolution Magnetic Circular Filter Kits. These magnetic filter kits make swapping filters faster and easier than ever. Each kit includes a polarizer, plus 3-stop and 6-stop ND filters that snap magnetically onto screw-in adapters, speeding up your workflow and encouraging more creative shooting. Available in multiple sizes with adapter rings for almost any lens, there's a fit for nearly every setup. Pro kits even include a 10-stop ND filter for long exposures. Quick, intuitive, and travel-friendly, these kits are a total game changer for creative control. Number 5. Kase Soft Filter Bag 100mm. If you use 100mm square filters, this clever case is the perfect way to keep your gear organized. The main compartment holds up to 10 filters in softly lined, scratch-protective pockets with a concertina-style zip for easy access. A front pocket stores your filter holder and adapter rings, and it even comes with a shoulder strap for portability. Best of all, you can mount it directly to your tripod, keeping everything right where you need it while shooting. At just $45, it's compact, practical, and excellent value, and essential for any landscape photographer. So, what's the ultimate accessory? The MeFoto Roadtrip Pro 6-in-1 travel tripod wins with its versatility, portability, and rock-solid stability. A true game changer for every photographer on the move.